Hello Team WL. I am so excited because right now in about a minute we are going to announce who the car winner is for the LG contest. I'm here with Bruce from LG, and once again I want to say thank you for everything that LG and you have done for us over the last several months, as we've had amazing prizes, but this is the big prize. And so what we did to make it official, we hired an accounting firm, Acord & Cox, and got a representative from there that recently just did the random drawing, and he's about to walk in and announce to us who that is.
Hi, I'm Brian Scott. I'm an auditor with Acord Cox and Company. Bruce. Brian Scott.
Bruce, nice to meet you, Brian. You got our winner in there?
Yes, I do. In a sealed envelope inside of this briefcase, we have the winner of a new car.
Thank you very much. Ah, the drama, the suspense. It's confidential. And the winner is... from the SoCal region, from Van, Edwin Galicia. Congratulations! Woo! Edwin, get ready. You're in for a huge surprise.
What are some of the qualifying questions that you like to ask customers that you're working with? Yeah, no pressure. You're good. You think about it.
Let me just
cut. Hey, we are like seconds away from delivering the car. This is so freaking exciting. Here we go. Oh, and that's the BOF going up and down on the roof. All right, here we go. We're getting ready to pull up in front of the store.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
That's your car right there, boy.
Really?
Are you speechless?
Well, thank you so much, guys. I really didn't expect that. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and I'm in the right place, and I'm here to grow. You know, you got number one again.
You're way too serious, man. Go jump up and down. Woo!
How you doing? What's up, Edwin?
That's the face of winning right there.
Oh my God, I can't believe it.
I
made it.
You like it?
I love it. I really love it. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. I was shocked and happy, but I also want to say thank you to Daniel. I know he's not long with us. He gave me the opportunity. He believed in me, and I told him that I'm going to be number one, and here I am. And also Paul and my co-workers, especially my co-workers, you know, for their support.
Yeah!
Appreciate it.
SoCal wins again.
Well deserved. Well deserved.
Appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much.
Hey, just real quick, congratulations, Edwin. This is awesome. You happy?
I am.
You got a car.
Speechless, man. I'm shocked.
Well, enjoy it. Thank you for everything that you do. Appreciate it. I came out here just for you, just to give you the car.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. And thank you for taking your time. And, I really, really appreciate it. goal. I be number one.
There you go.
Get the next car.
Congratulations.
Thank you.